Boys, we're past the fucking funded account. Mind my wet hair, I don't know why it's going so thin all of a sudden, but mind my wet hair, we're past the funded account. So gas up. They've already sent me the login, I signed some fucking contract shit. Or some bullshit, but we're in the 10k funded account. We're another step closer, boys. And this trade was so fucking simple as well. Literally I just set an, I don't know why these here, sorry. Just set an alert. I could have maybe even taken another winning trade up here, but I didn't, I was done for the day. Obviously I'll be out for the weekend now. Hopefully we get some good setups Monday. I mean the way price finished off on a weekend, on Friday, sorry. Looks like we will not be trading first thing or market open. Maybe unless we punch up into this zone here, which I might set an alert. But I'll decide that on Sunday. But yeah, here we go. We had this little, we had our zone here on the 15-minute time frame. Don't know how I draw my zones. I draw them basically just from the wick of where the rejection is, and then up to a candle close. You can see we close candle here, and then as you can see we respect this so perfectly. We even break structure on the 15-minute, but we are going to be looking at the 5-minute as soon as we tap into that zone. You can see we've reached a break structure right here. After that break structure, we can enter there, but I like to have more of a more of a confluence. So what I can see here on this big leg down is we don't really have any fair value gaps pushing us down. Usually I like to wait for an inverse fair value gap, but right here we have no fair value gaps looking to push us down. So from that I'm going to drop down to the 1 minute again after we broke structure. All we're doing is waiting for a fair value gap retest and then a reaction from the fair value gap just to prove. Really I could have had an entry here, but because we just created a huge like hammer up candle, but I like to see a green reaction. So if we just filled this fair value gap here, respecting this completely. We wicked below it, but that's fine. Obviously breaking structure on the 1 minute, and then we come in here, saw this big girthy candle up, and I was like, I didn't even really wait for this to close, but I got an entry on where the candle closed. I ended when the candle was here because the spreads on MetaTrader for who am I with, Alpha Capital. It shot me. Here we go, boys. It shot me. Oh god, I liked how it was actually. That's better. Yeah. It placed me higher up on the entry. So as you see, minimal drawdown on this trade, barely in the fucking negatives, and I wasn't even looking at it. I didn't even want to take partials in this trade. I don't even think I completely finished the trade. I think it kicked me out about here because I passed the funded there, because I kind of just like not full ported it, but risked all the profits I'd made. So I think it took me out about here. Got the email saying I passed, and I'll show you the account I'm in now. Obviously I haven't traded on it yet. It's there we go, the fresh. I don't know why I always show you shit like it's gonna. The fresh 10k funded account. Come on boys, let's go. Fucking gas boys, but that's pretty much that for today. Keeping it short and sweet. Just showing the trade I hit on Friday, and I could have hit another trade here. See, we tapped into the zone. Let's drop to the 5 minute. See what could have happened. So looks like we could have made a broke structure here. Let's have a look at the 1 minute. Looks like it would have been an entry. Not not too sure, boys, if we would have found a proper entry. Okay, I'll do. Nah, I probably would have stayed out of it. Unless I just ended off the breaker structure on the 5 minute of here. If I entered there, went short, stop above the zone maybe. Maybe being drawdown right now, but who knows, boys. That's that. Yeah, anyway, boys, thank you for watching. Hopefully we can get a payout this month. That's what we're waiting for. Nice one, boys. See you in a bit.